All right, I'm in the process of tubbing out the bed to make room for these bad boys. Also working on the 4-link suspension and drive shafts. Drive shafts as in plural because it's still 4-wheel drive. Putting these tanks on because I had to remove the stock tank. And working on an intercooler design of my own. It runs good. Just haven't ran it for a long time, which over time the air will heat up, but it runs good. Yeah, surprised it started up because I don't have the gas tanks hooked up. Gas in the bowl. So, it's a, yeah, and I got the front end off over there. Yeah, redesign going on that too. All right, that's it for now.